Ladies, sir, good morning.
हेलो
Good
जी,
morning,
सुंदर
Mr.
जी,
Malik.
नमस्कार जी।
Very good morning. Good morning. Good morning, friends.
हेलो जी, अमोली जी।
Thank you, Bedi sir.
Amoli, good morning.
Very good morning. Very good morning.
Amoli ji, good morning.
अमोली जी, गुड
Good morning.
मॉर्निंग।
I am very pleased to hear you, sir.
डिस्टर्बेंस बहुत है जी।
Same here.
Mr. Malik, nice to see you after a long time.
Yes,
We
yes,
welcome you to with clapping, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Volume कितना?
बोलिए विशेष जी।
मॉर्निंग सर।
मॉर्निंग जी, क्या हाल है?
Sound हो जाता है. एक मिनट सोचिए.
बोलिए अमोली जी।
बेबी साहब वॉइस नहीं आ रही, फटफट के आ रही है, वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है।
लॉट ऑफ डिस्टर्बेंस।
बेटी साहब तो आप अपना माइक थोड़ा नेड़े कर लो और बात कर लीजिए। हाँ जी बिल्कुल सही।
Your attention, please. Amoli ji, good morning.
Very good morning.
Good morning to all. Respected Shri J.C. Verma, Chief Patron, Shri D.M.S. Bedi, Chairman, Shri K.G. Grover, Vice Chairman, Shri Suresh Kumar, Advisor and Finance Secretary, and today's our guest key speaker, Honorable Shri N.P. Amoli. On behalf of the Executive Council of Inspire, I welcome you all to our second webinar on the topic Transforming the Game of Life by Sri N.P. Amoli. Due to pandemic COVID-19, the life becomes standstill, but Executive Council of Inspire decided that virtually we can meet by conducting webinars for its members so that Inspire fraternity to be benefited. I express my gratitude to Shri Amoli ji because during our first webinar, we requested him to organize a webinar for Inspire Fraternity in December 2020, and he acceded to our request enthusiastically. Shri NP Modi associated with Inspire when it was in nascent stage, and after many deliberations and concerted effort by Shri Modi, Inspire was formed. It is pertinent to mention here that Shri NP Modi is our first Secretary General, and we feel proud that he remained Secretary General of Inspire unopposed continuously for a number of years and built its status, which we are now enjoying. Please give him a big hand to Mr. NP Moli. Now I request Shri J.C. Verma ji, our Chief Patron, to say a few words on Inspire and on today's guest speaker of the webinar. United we stand, together we grow.
Friends, I'm J.C. Verma, respected Bedi Saab, our chief guest today, Mr. N.P. Amoli, our friend. So it's very nice to see all of you here today. It is our second webinar. So though some disturbances are there, but still I feel it is very good to hold such seminars. It is because of this digital India that we are just seeing and watching each other and talking to each other. So our today's speaker, Mr. N.P. Moli, is a founder member of Inspire and our first General Secretary of Inspire, and he is a very dynamic personality. So he took the Inspire to new heights when he was here. Actually, I also joined during his time. So Mr. Amoli has risen to another step in life. After leaving his government job, he started his career with his own establishment, Manav International School, then Manas Foundation Society. So he is the president and chairman of that school and that society. So he is a very dynamic personality. So today he agreed to share his views regarding transforming our life, how we can transform our life. Our life is a game, how we can change the game of life. So he will give us some tips. So I won't stand much between you. So I now request our chairman, Mr. Bedi, to take the show further and carry it on. Thank you very much. So nice of you, all of you. Thank you.
हाँ ये हाँ ला ला खाली अंदर खाली सिलेंडर सिलेंडर
Well, a very good morning to you all, friends. Am I audible to you all? I hope so. Let me begin by, first of all, extending my sincere thanks and gratitude for the Executive Council of Inspire, and more so the chairman and the other office bearers who have taken the initiative, especially during these difficult times of pandemic, to begin an exercise that can not only bring us together, but it can add a lot of value to our life, lot of strength to our life, and it can make a significant difference to the overall quality of our life, both personal and professional. I can see over 45 participants who are present on the dashboard there. So many of you are personally known. So many of you are extremely close. I wish to name each one of you, but we are already gone 20 minutes behind. Let me also acknowledge and appreciate and thank a very, very special guest today, the most gracious amongst all, Professor Dr. Nayanika Singh. I consider it a great honor, ma'am, and I thank you from the bosom of my heart for encouraging us, for inspiring us, for joining us, and for setting this webinar rolling during your last webinar. Believe me, every word of yours is part of my diary, and the way you did that webinar in the most practical, in the most pragmatic, in the most professional way is that something that we all ought to learn from you. Your presence amongst us, we value it a lot, we cherish it a lot, and I'm sure we will continue to receive your guidance and your support in all these series. Thank you very, very much.
May I request all members please mute their phone? There is a lot of disturbances. If they are not speaking, please mute. This is message in chat also. Please mute their. Otherwise, there is a lot of disturbances.
Yes, that's very nice. And as you can see, the volume of noise has considerably come down. So let me also extend a very warm and hearty welcome to our professional colleagues from down south, Trivandrum. This is the power of networking. We are living in a difficult times, but at the same time, the distances have become much shorter and the bonds are becoming stronger. So, a very hearty welcome to all my professional colleagues from Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, Trivandrum, and a special thanks to my dear friend Ramanathan for making all this possible. Friends, not taking too much of your time, we have a very, very important topic today. And I have thought of sharing my experiences sharing my learnings and knowledge, whatever I have. I'm very conscious of the fact, I know it very well, that there are many, many senior professionals, senior colleagues and friends present in this webinar today who have a lot of reservoir of knowledge they have. Yeah, Dr. Nayanika Singh, thank you very much. I understand you have your meeting. So thanks for joining us. So friends, I'm going to start this program by sharing a small PowerPoint presentation. I would request you to keep making notes of the questions or the doubts or points which you might want to ask me. Towards the end, we will certainly have time to share and to interact. I'm going to present my PowerPoint to begin with you. I hope you'll be able to see it. Yes, friend. I hope your morning is as bright as your smile. Is it? The first thing that I expect from my friends and participants is that they should be smiling. And I hope you are smiling. अगर आप स्माइल नहीं कर रहे हैं तो अभी कर लीजिए, क्योंकि वो कहते हैं कि स्माइल इज लाइक ए सिम कार्ड and your life is a cell phone. You insert the SIM card of your smile and you feel a beautiful day that activates for you, and then you can enjoy your complete day. So let's bring that smile on your faces. Even though we are not able to see all the faces, but I can feel, and more importantly, you can feel it for yourself, your smile. और वैसे भी कहा जाता है कि 100 गुना बढ़ जाती है खूबसूरती सिर्फ मुस्कुराने से। 100 गुना बढ़ जाती है खूबसूरती सिर्फ मुस्कुराने से। फिर भी न जाने क्यों कुछ दोस्त हैं जो बाज नहीं आते हैं मुंह फुलाने से। तो अगर किसी ने मुंह फुला रखा हो तो भाई आप जो है मुस्कुराइए। तो वही चीजें दुनिया में ऐसी हैं जिनमें कुछ नहीं लगता। एक है मुस्कुराहट और दूसरी है दुआ। So friends, I hope you are smiling. And I also thank Bedisa for, Bedisa is very generous person, you know, and he is very gracious, very generous. He has given a very, the biggest introduction I ever got. But my best introduction for the day is I am a secretarial professional. I still practice secretarial job. The only difference is that today I work for my life partner. My boss is my homemaker, and we enjoy that. और हमको उनके काम करने में अच्छा लगता है। आज सुबह ही मेरे से पूछ रहे थे, ब्रेकफास्ट बनाने से पहले पूछने लगे आटा कहाँ से लेकर आए हो? I was surprised little bit. Then I thought, I asked her क्यों, क्या हुआ? What happened? What's wrong with the आटा? She said नहीं, देख भी रहो सारी रोटियां जल गई। So boss is always right. You have another reason to smile. I hope you are smiling, and this is the transforming game of life. We would be talking about our life, the life of a secretarial professional, where it begins and how this life goes on and how we can transform it. So this is a package which I want to discuss. But on the life, I am reminded of a beautiful story. This story has a background not in India, but in Vietnam. You know, my friends, the history of Vietnam has been the most turbulent one. Very turbulent one. I find still some disturbance coming. If the participants can mute their mic, those who are not talking, you will help us, you will help the cause of today, and I will appreciate your cooperation. So I was telling you the game of life. I was talking about life. A man is born and he makes a life. So long back, I heard a story. The genesis was in Vietnam. Vietnam had the history of world's largest conflict, world's largest war. And Vietnam is also known for peace because the dominant religion or one of the dominant religions in Vietnam is Buddhism. So this was a story about a village, a happy village, and there were a lot of followers, believers of Lord Buddha. In that village, the story goes, I am talking consciously in English because I am told that our friends from Trivandrum, they would be more comfortable if I speak in English. Of course, I would also be talking in Hindi in between. So English is our language. We have spent our lifetime, and I hope I am able to reach out to you. In that beautiful village, there were a lot of worshippers of Lord Buddha, and the village was tranquil, peace and prosperity. But life is so uncertain. It so happened one day a message came that the enemy is about to invade this village. Naturally, there was cause of concern. The enemy was very close by, and people started running for shelter. There was a statue of Lord Buddha in that village, and a very peculiar statue because it was made of pure gold. It was a golden Buddha. It was a treasure of the villagers. They were worried if the enemy comes, what would we do with the Buddha? Friends, one of the elders suggested to them that you take care of your family and your life. Don't worry about Buddha. He suggested that let us put the Buddha, the golden Buddha, in a muddle amidst the thick mud and dirt. Everybody followed. The statue of Buddha was placed in a mud. It was covered with a lot of dirt. Villagers went to shelters, and the army invaded the village, and then started the destruction. Everything was destroyed. The enemy laid siege for a very long time. They say that they stayed there for almost 4 or 5 months. Every now and then they saw this dirty, muddled Buddha thrown into dust, and they never bothered about it. One day, the army went, and villagers also started coming back. Along with the villagers came one Buddhist monk. As things were to happen, Buddhist monk happened to see this Buddha in the model. He couldn't bear it. He went by, picked up the Buddha, and went close by under the tree, and he sat there looking at the Buddha. Suddenly, the monk noticed that the tip of the mud on one side had fallen down, and beneath he could see the sparkle of gold. There was light coming. He was shocked. He tried. Even more gold appeared. Gold appeared. And then and out came the Buddha, the golden Buddha. And they say that human life is like that. We are all like golden Buddhas. In our birth, we are golden. We are the child of God, but there is lot of dirt, there is lot of mud which accumulates around our life, and because of that, the original identity of us, which is golden, it gets consumed. We need a monk, we need a mentor, we need a training, we need a program that can help us discover the gold that is within us. And as I can see, there are a lot of golden Buddhas in this program today. Yes, friend, lot of golden Buddhas. And this is very true for the secretarial professionals. The way we start our life, the circumstances where we start, the surroundings where we come from, the background that we have. We will talk about it about little later, but believe it, we are all like golden Buddhas. Some of you are already shining. Some of you are leading the light for others because you have spent your life,
Z.
decades and decades of your life you have done, and today you are sparkling. Let's have the smile again, once again, on everybody's face. I hope you are with me. Friends, that's what life is. जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते क्योंकि फायदा नहीं है. People either live in past or they live in the future. But there is a saying, जो हो गया उसे सोचा नहीं करते, जो मिल गया उसे खोया नहीं करते, हासिल उन्हें ही होती है सफलता, जो वक्त और हालात पर रोया नहीं करते, जो वक्त और हालात पर रोया नहीं करते. We know each one of us, we have proved, we have gone beyond the time and we have gone beyond the circumstances of our life. I have to little run fast because our time is short. But there is, life is a beautiful interplay of opposites. Yes, friend, opposites make our life. If there is no opposite, then there would be no significance. Understand, if there is a man, in the opposite, there has to be a woman. Think of a life without the one, and there is no life. And that is why people say there is no life without wife. And for ladies, there is no life without your husband. It goes the vice versa. It's always the opposites. If there is happiness, there is sadness. If there is light, there is darkness. If there is love, there is hatred. If there is success, there is failures. And the list can go on and on and on. But understand, it is the interplay between these two. जीवन की दो अपोजिंग फोर्सेस का, विपरीत शक्तियों का जो इंटरप्ले है, that is what is the गठबंधन. Life is a beautiful interplay of two opposites. Opposites will always be there. Challenge is to balance it. Challenge is to create a beautiful, wonderful, favorable, appreciative mix of it, to handle it together. That is why life is like that. We are going to talk about today, but what happens if we are not able to manage the opposites? That is where it comes. Problem comes when we are not able to manage the diversities of life, when we are not able to balance the opposite forces of life. That is where we get into problem, and that is what it shows here. What do you see? It shows a person who is completely lost. It comes under stress. Then there are problems. Then there are worries. Then there are diseases. Then life becomes an illness. Then we become lifeless. Then we start losing the very purpose of life. But friends, you have done it before. We will do it again. And today we are going to talk about transforming the game of life. How can we balance? केवल काम ही काम नहीं है, घर भी देखना है, परिवार भी देखना है, बच्चे भी देखने हैं, समाज भी देखना है, हेल्थ भी देखनी है, वेल्थ भी देखनी है, प्रोस्पेरिटी देखनी है, नेबर्स को देखना है. Everything we have to manage. That is why this word, this beautiful word, transformation. ट्रांस का मतलब होता है बियॉन्ड, मतलब पार. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ट्रांस यमुना. इन दिल्ली आई यूज्ड टू टेल पीपल थ्रू एन एग्जांपल, यमुना पार. ट्रांस मींस बियॉन्ड, फॉर्म मींस शेप, सिचुएशन, हमारी आज की सिचुएशन, एंड एक्शन एक्चुअली मींस टेकिंग एन एक्शन. तो द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मीनिंग बिकम्स टेकिंग एन एक्शन ऑफ गोइंग बियॉन्ड आवर फॉर्म. हम कुछ ऐसा काम करें, we take some action that changes the shape. How it works? Let me welcome you to the program. My first slide, and this is a challenge for you. We are all secretarial professional. I'm not going to put anything which you are not aware, but this is it. I want you to just use your 2 fingers, try and see, and note down if you can transcribe it. I hope you are familiar with it. These are the strokes. This is the beginning from where the transformation actually started in secretarial profession. I'm going to pause and I'm going to invite anybody who is able to transcribe it. Don't go about the correctness of the strokes. It's been more than 20 years since I have practiced it, but I hope some of you will be able to decipher it, transcribe it.
വെബിനാർ തുറന്നോ?
Anybody?
വെബിനാർ ഇൻസ്പയറിന്റെ പ്രോഗ്രാം നടക്കണ്ടേ? തുറന്നു ചോദിച്ചു നോക്കൂ.
I would give time to you.
Mr. Unnikrishnan, please mute your mic.
Anybody who can read it, unmute yourself, tell me your name, and then read it, transcribe it.
So myself, Prasida, I can read the third one. Working together is success.
Okay, wow, wonderful. So third one you are able to read. See,
Yeah.
so bright. You brought
Coming to-
time, ma'am. Thank you very much.
First one is coming together is beginning.
Who is that? Who has read it?
Rajan Nanda, brother.
Rajan Nanda's brother. I know my friend Rajan Nanda. He's the registrar in Haryana High Court. You know.
Thank you. Thank you, brother.
Beginning. First and third line is done. Let's see if anybody can read the second line.
Keeping together is progress.
Wow, wow, wow. There we are. Who read it? Keeping together is progress.
Mr. Grover.
Wow, KG Grover Sahab, our Honorable Vice Chairman, sir. Wow. Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success. Now tell me the last one.
Sir, last word is not readable. Trying together is last word is not readable.
Okay, I understand, but let me correct it. This is not crying. Maybe my stroke is right, but this is
Meeting
actually, you can read it now. Are you able to read the screen together?
No.
Is my screen visible? आप मेरी screen देख पा रहे हैं?
The screen is not visible.
Off. You can put it again.
You are able to see it?
No, it's not there.
We are short of time, so we will move forward. My friend, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success, and growing together is fulfillment. What a great thing. We have lived it through our life. We came together almost 27 years back. So we had a long beginning. We made a lot of progress. We'll talk about it little later. We have worked together, and there are major milestones which we have achieved together, and we are working for fulfillment in life. So that was the opening. I'm very happy you have been able to read that. Now, let me tell you, if you can identify this picture.
Screen coming. Okay. Screen to on.
It will take time because we are running at this time. So let me tell this name. You are familiar with this name? Can you read the name? Anybody? Can any one of you read this name? Am I audible to you, friends?
Amali,
Yes,
your presentation is offline. It's not coming on your screen. Please proceed again.
It won't come. It won't come, Amoliji. I won't show.
This is
I won't see anything.
okay. Are you not able to see the screen?
No, I am not able
Mr.
to
Moli,
see.
Mr. Moli, you are audible, but the screen is not coming.
Yes, exactly.
I don't know what's the problem.
From the beginning. From the beginning.
Okay. 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 So my screen has gone blank. Now you are able to see me?
Yeah, I can
Yes.
see you.
Yes.
Okay, friends, that was I was talking about Sir Isaac Pitman. He is the one who is the source of the greatest inspiration to all secretarial professionals. Do you agree with me?
Hello.
Hello, you there?
Yeah.
So today, let me request all of you friends, let's speak a word for Isaac Pitman. Let's acknowledge our gratitude for this noble soul who has created the biggest transformation in our life. Let peace be to Sir Isaac Pitman. Let us pray that his soul lives forever. Secondly, similarly, I wanted to show another presentation. Let me see if you are able to see it. Can you see my screen there?
Yes.
Is my screen visible to you, the PowerPoint?
Yes. Yes.
So this was Sir Isaac Pitman.
Yes.
Now I'm going to talk next slide. This is interesting one. If anybody can read it. Very important milestone in our life. We have spent a lot of time on these strokes. Each one of us, we spend days and weeks and months practicing these.
Sir, slide is not visible, sir.
Slide not visible.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is visible. It is visible.
So I'm going to stop this. I was going to talk about another gentleman. His name is Christopher Latham Soul. Have you heard this name ever?
Please repeat.
Have you heard the name of Christopher Latham Soul? You heard the name of Christopher Latham Souls?
Yes, we have heard.
Who is he? Let me tell you, friend. After Sir Isaac Pitman, it was Christopher Latham Souls who created the maximum impact in our life. Some friends are telling me that my PowerPoint was coming okay, but some are not getting it. So I wanted to show that PowerPoint. If you can see, because that's important slide to show.
Yeah, I can see now.
Now you can see.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
Sir,
what
still I am not, it is not visible to me, sir.
No, it's
Some of
okay. Slide is okay.
but some of
Yeah,
you
it's very much visible. There is no issue at all. Amaliji, you can go ahead.
yes, Bedi Sahab, you are able to see the screen? ये लिखा
It
है
is visible.
jumps over the lazy dog. Can you read the stroke now? The big brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Here is another gentleman. They were born in 19th century. His name is Christopher Norton Cole. He is the inventor of the typewriter. And the name of the company which produced the typewriter was Remington. आप लोगों ने Remington यूज किया है?
Of course.
We all have done Remington, Hatchet, Godrej, and all those things. We belong to that generation. Okay. So another kudos, another prayer for Christopher Latham Souls for bringing out this beautiful, wonderful equipment called typewriter. Because of these two skills, the shorthand and the typewriter became the profession called secretarial profession. So, how do you feel about this secretarial profession? Do you feel proud of it?
Definitely.
Definitely, we feel proud of it. So, the modern genesis of secretarial profession is in the 19th century. But is that the truth? Yes, truth in the sense that today we practice the same shorthand, we practice the same typewriter, and he was the one who invented the QWERTY typo machine. Anybody, are you aware of the word QWERTY? You know one
QWERTY.
thing, from 1868 until today, the keyboard is the same. This is called QWERTY keyboard. If you see, the first line is QWERTY on the left side, and the other side you see POI. आज भी आपके मोबाइल में, आज भी आपके कीबोर्ड में, आज भी आपके मोबाइल में यही कीबोर्ड यूज होता है. So that is the impact of secretarial profession. But friends, my objective was to talk about more, not so much in the background. But I wanted to tell you. Can you see this picture? Anybody can see this picture?
Of course.
Yes.
Best friend is Ganesh.
Roller.
Yes. Let me tell you. First secretarial professional. Who was the first secretary? We did a seminar long back, about 30 years back. Who was the first secretary?
Yes, first secretary was Ganesh ji.
Ganesh was the first secretary. Wow, congratulations. And there is a, it is not just 300 years man and the Latham souls. The first secretary, the mythological secretary is Lord Ganesh. There is a story that Bhagwan Ved Vyasa, he had in mind to write a document called Mahabharata because Vedas were very difficult to understand. But there was no one who could write it. Ved Vyasa was an incarnation of Lord Vishnu himself. So he invited Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha put a condition. He said, if you stop in between giving dictation, now look at, understand it. If you tell your boss, if you stop giving dictation, I will run away, I will quit, I won't do. But that was the time. Lord Ganesha was such a fascinating writer. He said, I will finish your complete document in one sitting. They can't come every day. And Ved Vyasa was in effect. What to do? Mahabharata is a very big compilation. But then he came with the idea and he said, okay, Lord Ganesha, I accept. But I have a condition also. You will not write a single word with understanding the meaning of it. Understand it. without understanding the meaning of it. That's how the secretarial profession has come. Now see, ours is a magical profession. I'm going to quickly run through, we are short of time. But just imagine, fastest skill development. Can you think of any other profession, any other skill which gives you job within 6 to 9 to 1 year's time? If you do it well? No, it doesn't come to my mind. केवल शॉर्ट हैंड टाइपिंग सीखने से, ये स्किल सीखने से हम लोगों का करियर बना है. It's a unique and lifetime skill. Understand it. After shorthand and typing, what other skills? Whether you are typing on computer or whether you are typing on your tablet, the skill is same. You are using the same skill, and this is a unique skill. It doesn't need any upgradation. You can't think of a doctor, engineer without upgrading their skills. But this is a lifetime skill set, best skill set that you can get. This gives you the quickest employment. दुनिया में कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो आपको इतनी जल्दी employment देता है. And not only employment, it gives you status, it gives you prominence, it gives you a power of influence, it gives you the power to move things, and it brings you at the core of the organization, because we secretaries, we are the backbone of the organization. I don't have to tell you, you already know that. Highest learning curve, सबसे ज्यादा सीखने को अगर किसी को मिलता है तो secretaries को मिलता है. Other people don't get it. An accountant will only see the figures, but as a secretary, you are aware of the complete eye-bird view of your organization. All the departments, they come to your boss. It's a great opportunity for personal development. And forget what to talk of greatest derivatives. Boss के नाम पे कितने सारे काम हम कर सकते हैं. What are the derivatives? Derivatives are the benefits which we enjoy. Irrespective of this, the secretary will have a telephone line installed at home because boss needs to call. You will have the car, you will have all the facilities, and साहब के नाम पर हम कुछ भी करा लेते हैं. I hope you know that. And then there are best growth opportunities. बहुत सारी growth opportunities हमारे पास होती हैं. Is it clear so far so good? Yes, friends, tell me, is it okay? Are you with me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me move forward. We were talking of the game of life. My friends, हमारी लाइफ के दो पार्ट, सबकी लाइफ के दो पार्ट होते हैं. एक फर्स्ट पार्ट होता है फर्स्ट इनिंग, दूसरा होता है सेकंड इनिंग. Some of us, we are in the first inning. Most of us, we are in the second inning. But what is the first inning? Let me talk about the secretaries first. Think of your life. The life of a secretary is driven by need. When I think of myself, I was in dire need of a job because my circumstances were such. There was no school beyond +2 where I can go for higher learning. There was no financial setup back at home, no support. Only my mother was there, and I had to support my family. I had 4 sisters. I was the only son in the family. And when I tell of my stories, I know there are many who share the same lot like me. The quickest way was to get a diploma in shorthand and typing. Friends, I did this diploma in 1982. And 1983 March, I was employed. I joined this shorthand course in September, and by next March, April, I was placed as a clerk cum typist. Understand what the transformation happened. The success came. I got the stability, I got the income, I got the job. And then I moved on. Then I became a secretary. From MCM clerk cum typist, I went to become a secretary with Toshiba Anand Batteries Limited. I was fascinated by government job. For some time, I worked with Mr. A.K. Kundra. He was an IAS officer, chairman of Punjab Alkalis. Again, there was an opening in semiconductor complex. I moved on. I became a coordinator. With just a +2 shorthand and typing, my life changed. I moved over to CEDT, and in 1992, within a span of 8 years, I became the executive secretary in the officers cadre. From 92-93, then it was secretary 1, secretary 2, secretary 3, and it used to go like that. There was the end. At one time, the first inning came, and there was stagnation and complacency. There was nothing more that I can do. But in this period, what is important is that we are only taking from the society. We are making our career, we are making our family. This is the story of first inning, which means getting. We are, many of us, we have come to this second inning. Let me talk of the second inning, my friends. From the driven by needs, second inning is driven by dreams. Once we come to the highest echelon of secretarial profession, and invariably for regions, good or bad, we stop expanding. We need to re-skilling, and this is called moment of truth in life. Many of our friends, they are at this stage. Many of them have gone beyond this stage. We need to expand ourselves, not necessarily change jobs. We need to think of how we can re-skill ourselves. We are in a modern times. Typewriters are gone, fax machines are gone. We don't know TP. We don't do any typing work these days with the machines. But we need to re-skill ourselves. Otherwise, it becomes boring. Life becomes purposeless. This is the time when we start working on our hobbies, on our passions, on our affiliations, on our professional development, on our social affiliations, on institutions like Inspire or any other body. Because in the first phase, it is your personal success. And you see, success has got another meaning. The bigger success is when you become, when people start recognizing your success. That time, it is called grand success. It has to have happiness. If you are a secretary enjoying everything, you are unhappy, believe me, you are missing on the grand success. If there is no stability, you are missing on the grand success. And if there is no peace, we are missing on the grand success. What is success? If you search happiness in the limited zone of your personal pleasure and pain, in that selfish world of your own, you will always search in vain. अपने पर्सनल प्लेजर और पेन के लिए अगर हम सक्सेस ढूंढेंगे, then our success is very limited. Two options life leaves for man, either big or small. To live for self is a smaller one, bigger is to live for all. अपने अपने लिए नहीं, अपने लिए जिए तो क्या जिए, बड़ा हुआ तो क्या हुआ जैसे पेड़ खजूर, पंछी को छाया नहीं, फल लागे अति दूर. That is why if your life's mission is to serve, share and give, then though you cried at your birth, laughing will you leave. That is the meaning of life, to serve, to share and to give. How to do that? Let me tell you some tips to balance the work life. I hope my screen is visible to friend, most of you. I need an affirmation from you.
Yes, yes.
It's visible, sir. Please put it in presentation mode.
Yes, visible, sir, visible now.
Okay, so I'm going to put it in a presentation mode. To transform. Can anybody read it?
Tips to transform wealth and maintain your face value.
Yes, my friend, whatever you are doing, the first principle to bring balance, to transform our life, is to develop and maintain our face value. Understand, most of the people don't have face value these days. That is why the relationships are in turmoil. That is why there is stress in life. That is why there is a conflict in life. If you can do just one thing, whether it is in personal life, family life, social life, friends life, it is to develop and maintain your face value. And the meaning of face value is keeping your word. जो आप बोलते हैं क्या आप करते हैं? क्या आपकी वाइफ मान सकती है कि आपने जो बोला है वो शाम को हो जाएगा? और डू योर चिल्ड्रन से, मम्मा तो बोलती है शी नेवर कीप्स हर वर्ड? कैन योर बॉस sleep at peace at night having taken your word that you will do it? If they can, then you are happy. Develop and maintain your face value. Come what may, if you give your word, keep it at any cost, because that will bring the transformation in our life. That is called character, that is called credibility, that is called goodwill. Maintain high standards of personal grooming and hygiene. My friend, make it a point. Your work is your worship. When you go for your work, highest standards of grooming and hygiene. I don't have to explain, but you should be properly dressed up. You should be charming. Your look should be appealing. We are not talking about only technical. Treat everyone with dignity and respect. Don't look down at anyone unless you have a plan to help them. The challenge here is being in the big offices. Sometimes we develop the ego, we become the demi boss. That is where the challenge comes. We start behaving like the CEO or like the boss, and sometimes our behavior gets altered. Treat everybody with dignity and respect. Believe my friend, there is a dignity of the lowest echelon staff, and there is a dignity and respect for the highest one. I was very happy. Last week, about 2 months back, I went back to my alma mater semiconductor complex. I had some work there, and one of the person who was doing my work, and I had gone to my friend Anil, who is the PS2 director for last over 20 years now. And when that person told me that Anil is one officer in last 20 years, he hasn't spoken a single word, or he hasn't raised his voice, and he maintained complete dignity. I felt so happy for my friend. That is what is goodwill. That is when people will respect you and they will follow your command. Whatever you do, give it your 100%. Anything that you do, your work is your signature. I don't have to tell you, you have done it before, but don't limit yourself to your work. I have a fantastic example of Ramanathan. I remember when the computers came, he was our man Friday. For every problem, we used to go to him. He never limited himself to only his section. He was there from chairman to everybody. And for me, he was a great help. And perhaps, if I can remember, he is the only secretarial professional in the history of SCL who has been given the Best Employee Award in SCL. Just doing your job will not get you there. Do your best. Become dream oriented. I told you, don't become need oriented. Our needs are fulfilled. Today we have to think of our dreams. And one of the dream is Inspire. We are working on the dream of Inspire. I'm going to spend just few minutes because we are running over time. We started little late. Believe in yourself. Always believe. No one is going to help you. Secretaries know it very better. Work with people who are better than you. Now there is a challenge. Always work with people who are better than you. Think over it. People like to work with people where they are superior. They get superiority complex. But if you want to transform life, work with people who are better than you. Be a lifetime learner. Never stop. We started from the iron made machine. Today we are with laptops. Now today we are in voice recognition. And we are going from, we remember the floppy drive. We remember the 8 KB. We remember the hard disk starting from 20 MB. And today we are talking of clouds, storage. So only those people who are upskilling themselves, they are going to make it. Keep smiling and make others smile. I'm going to skip in. I'm going to come to Inspire. Can you see this is slide.
It is visible, sir.
Yes. Now, my friend, the second engine is all about Inspire. I told you, you should join Inspire, especially for the new friends. I'm telling you, your life is going to change, because then you are going to be more effective. Then you are going to enjoy a larger circle of friends. Inspire is all about building your drive. Inspire is going to help you strive. Inspire is going to help you thrive. And Inspire is going to help you arrive at your destination. And this process continues on. How the life will change, let me tell you. I remember at one time Inspire had over 300 members. And when I was there, we had friends in every department. I remember when income tax was there, at one point of time, the private secretary to chief commissioner of income tax of Chandigarh, he was a member of Inspire. Do you think your life became easy or not? If you have your friends in the best of hospitals, your life will become easy or not?
Yes.
Today only one member, one madam joined us, 32 years in government medical college hospital. And if she is your friend, do you think you will have any problem in GMCH? Expand yourself. You need to grow yourself. The more the professional affiliations you have, the more you work on your professional side, the more you develop institution and you take membership, you are going to grow. Imagine you are my friend and you are coming to Dehradun. Your worries will be less, because whether you need or not, at the back of your mind, you will know that I have a friend there who is going to be available for me. I'm going to exhort you. Inspire has done tremendous things. This is a professional debt that we can pay. We are going to help one another. We must help another. We must have the affiliations, expand friendships. It is going to build the pride for profession, which is very important for us. It will give you positions for leadership, and it will give you formidable fellowships in Inspire, and that's what I call the grand success. But having taught that, this is my final quote. Can anybody read it?
Intention minus action only leads to tension.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ?
Good.
इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? Intentions minus action only lead to tensions. If I can see your faces, that would be great. My friends, I have taken little extra. Whatever we do in our life, let us build the pride for our profession. I'm going to open the question answer sessions before we conclude. You can have your videos on, and if you have any questions, you can ask or we can interact. Bedi Saab, over to you.
Hello.
Yes, Bedi Saab. Okay, friends. Any other? It's open to you. Anybody, you can write, you can ask. Especially the new members who have joined first time the webinar.
Sir, good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, I do understand, I do believe when there was some thoughts that inspire will expire. But I do understand the expire word will never come to the inspire.
I understand. Can you tell me your name?
That's why, yes, myself, N.S. Chhabda from Bureau of Indian Standard.
Oh, I
Sir,
know.
now I am retired in the 30th, on the 30th September.
Okay.
I do understand the whatever you have sow the seeds in the for the inspire. Now it will become the tree with the fruit.
Very right, Chavda Sahab. I know Bureau of Indian Standards. We have worked together for a long time. You know, there are few things, especially for those parents who have not taken their retirement. I have some of things in my mind I wanted to share. You see, the other day I was talking that we should start a program, community outreach program of Inspire. In the new education policy, vocational training is going to be compulsory. Lot of my friends have lifetime experience. They have worked for the lifetime. They are full of energy. Let's do one thing. We should develop a program to reach out to school students and conduct a program there in shorthand, typing, office management, secretarial practice. It can be done even free of cost. Believe me, you will use your time well. You will get a lot of recognition. You will have a lot of popularity. You will have a lot of satisfaction, and Inspire to think of creating a special position for them as fellows of secretary, fellows of Inspire, so that you can actively contribute to the society. Anybody
Sir,
else?
yes, sir. Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, I am Manoj Sood, 46, and I am stenographer grade C in Naipur, sir. Naipur Mohali, sir. Sir, you have reminded me a lot of things, like I have went in nostalgia even. The most you have reminded me the most important thing which I learned today: work with people who are better than you. Actually, it reminded me when I was I started my career when I was 18, sir. And during my first, yes, sir, during my interview in Vardhaman, there were two posts. One was stenographer and for other was private secretary. And being a new entrant, I was praying that I should have a lenient boss. At that time, there was one Mr. Yogaraj Sani, who was competing for a private secretary, and later he became private secretary to the managing director at that time, sir.
Okay.
He told me, brother, you are wrongly mistaken. If I repeat his word, कि आप बहुत गलती कर रहे हो. You should pray for the dangerous boss.
Yes, I agree.
Reason being, if you will learn, then you will earn throughout your life.
Exactly.
And sir, this is just a reminder what you have told me. I actually got a very dangerous board at that time. I worked 4 years in private sector, and thereafter I worked with the High Court Justice, then with IAS, and now I am a PA2 registrar in Naipur Mohali, sir. And I never failed because of my first boss. So
Wow.
so you have reminded me. Actually, although for the last 20 years I have not get any upgradation, and I am quite content with my salary because it is 1 lakh plus, but still there is stagnation and complacency, and you have reminded a lot to me, sir, and I appreciate your words, sir, a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. I think we have achieved the purpose. That is the purpose I wanted, because at one point when our dreams are fulfilled, our needs are fulfilled, that is the time we need to think of the second inning. Believe me, second inning is the final inning. That is the time we should start. शुरू में सेक्रेटरीज पीएस के लिए शॉर्ट हैंड के लिए मजबूरी होती है. आज आपके पास पोजीशन है, पावर है, पैसा है, बच्चे सेटल्ड हैं, घर सब कुछ है. दिस इज द टाइम यू शुड गिव बैक। हर प्रोफेशनल अपने प्रोफेशन को कुछ वापस देता है। हमने क्या दिया है? आज हम बहुत सक्सेसफुल हैं, लेकिन क्या हम अपनी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को सक्सेसफुल बनाना चाहते हैं? क्या हमने नहीं बना सकते, नहीं हम बनाना चाहते, बट वी मस्ट पे रेस्पेक्ट, वी मस्ट फील प्राउड ऑफ आवर प्रोफेशन। और देखिए, इज मिस्टर आचार्य स्टिल इन नाइपर और ही इज रिटायर्ड?
Yeah, he retired 2-3 years back, and he is member of Inspire also. But today I think he has not joined, sir.
I know there used to be one Mr. Saini. Is he there?
Yeah, he is still there. He is going to retire next year, sir.
They were my friends. I know. I know those days when Mr. Saini used to work with Panjabanand batteries, and I failed in his typing test and shorthand test. But then a time came, when all these people, we competed together in SCL, and we competed together in CDTI. I remember I competed with them, and without any, no pride about it, but I got this selection because I never became complacent in life. Is Bhupinder Singh still there? Your finance officer, Bhupinder Singh?
No, sir. He took voluntary retirement 5 years back, sir.
Oh my God, he was a close friend of mine. But anyway, very happy, very happy. Thanks a lot. Anybody else?
Mr. Molly.
Sir, Harpreet from CDT.
Oh, my first vice chairman of Inspire.
Yes.
I don't know how many would remember, but Harpreet was
28 years से आपकी सीट थी, अब आपसे चार्ज लिया था, तो आफ्टर अब 28 years सेम पोस्ट पे।
Harpreet ji, namaskar. Ramanand here. I hope you remember me.
28 years I gave my charge in CDT to Harpreet, and she is one of the pillars of Inspire. As I told you, she was our first vice chairman of Inspire, and Mr. Sarpal was the chairman. I remained the secretary throughout. I am a lifetime secretary.
Sir,
I know
meeting
from
Rose Garden में हुई थी।
2004, I enjoyed doing the secretary work. Nice to have you here, Harpreet. God bless you. Anybody else?
Thank you, sir.
Kamoli ji, good morning. Vinod Divan this side.
Oh,
basically, sir, we have already inspired from you at many occasions. When I remember when I take over from you as Secretary General of Inspire, you guided me a lot as my father. And as always, thank you once again for inspiring us today.
Very nice of you. My heart pains sometimes when we had to surrender the Puda plot. 1,001 का प्लॉट, क्योंकि हमारी प्रोफेशनल फ्रेटर्निटी नहीं थी, इसलिए हमें वो छोड़ना पड़ा. Otherwise, just imagine we would have had a CII working in Mohali, and we would have got a brand name of Inspire. But anyway, जैसे मैंने बोला कि जो छूट गया पढ़ना है. I am only happy like you are carrying this flag for close to 3 decades now. I would really love to see new members coming up. I wonder when was the new member madam joined today, but we want working professionals. Let's work. हम ढूंढें ज्यादा से ज्यादा वर्किंग सेक्रेटरीज को, फ्रेश ब्लड को लाने की कोशिश करें, एंड वी कैन अगेन कंसोलिडेट पीपल लाइक यू आर देयर. Thank you very much. I am very happy to connect to you, Vinod ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thanks a lot.
Mr. Molly, Rajan Nanda here.
Oh, Nanda साहब.
How are you? जैसे मिस्टर मौली, जैसे आपने बताया अभी, तो मैं थोड़ा सा शेयर करना चाहूंगा. मैं जब भी कभी स्टाफ की कोई जो हमारा सेमिनार होते हैं, तो मैंने उनको सभी को यही बात कहता हूं कि मैंने लाइफ में एक ही काम अच्छा किया था, वो ये कि मैंने शॉर्ट हैंड सीख ली. और शॉर्ट हैंड की बदौलत ही जो है मैंने क्लर्क एज ए ज्वाइन किया और आज रजिस्ट्रार की पोस्ट पे हूँ, जो कि ये कह लो कि आप पूरे इंडिया में हाईएस्ट पोस्ट वी कैन से, क्योंकि आईएएस में चीफ सेक्रेटरी और आईपीएस में डीजीपी होते हैं, तो उनके बराबर है.
वाह वाह वाह, वेरी प्राउड.
मैं सभी को यही आज भी एनकरेज करता हूँ कि कम से कम अगर कोई और कुछ नहीं कर सकता तो शॉर्ट हैंड सीख ले। हमारी कोर्स में आज भी इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं कि चाहे जितनी मर्जी हम ऑनलाइन या डेवलप कर लें, हमारे पास ड्रैगन सॉफ्टवेयर भी है, सब कुछ है, बट स्टिल जो सेक्टिस का काम है वो सेक्टिस ही कर सकते हैं और कोई नहीं कर सकता।
Quite right.
तो मैं
That is
सभी
why
को यही एनकरेज करता हूँ आज भी कि भी शॉर्ट हैंड जो है वो एक हमारा ऐसा जो है हमारे पास एक नॉलेज है जिसके बेस पे हम कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे आपने वही कहा।
क्वाइट राइट सर, मैं इसीलिए कह रहा था लास्ट टाइम मीटिंग में भी आज भी कि हमको एक प्रोफेशनल आउटरीच प्रोग्राम डिजाइन करना चाहिए।
बिल्कुल सही बात है, आई एग्री विद
अमोली जी, मिस्टर अमोली जी,
सर।
हाँ अमोली जी, मैं आज सारे मेंबर प्रेजेंट हैं, मैं आपसे ये बोलना चाहता हूँ कि जो स्लोगन है ये मेरे को लगता है कि आपने दिया था। आई फॉरगेट दैट, यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड टुगेदर वी ग्रो।
एग्जैक्टली
बताइए कि इसके पीछे
सर,
आपका
इसके
क्या
पीछे
विजन था?
बहुत है और बहुत प्राउड की बात है कि आज भी हम लोग जुड़े हुए हैं। आप देखिए किस किस पोजीशन से हैं, कितने कितने स्टॉल वॉट हमारे साथ में हैं। इसीलिए हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है कि हम यूनाइटेड हैं। भाई भले ही हम वहां तक अचीव नहीं कर पाए, आज 20 साल में हमारे पास, जैसे मैंने बताया, CII के जैसे एक इंस्टीट्यूशन होता, लेकिन फॉरगेट अबाउट दैट, जो भी है आज भी हम लोग दोबारा बिल्ड करें। बेदी साहब और एग्जीक्यूटिव काउंसिल मेहनत कर रही है। आज हमारे पास एट ए टाइम शायद 50 के करीब पार्टिसिपेंट थे। आप देखिए कितना जंप रहा है। फर्स्ट मीटिंग में कितने थे, फर्स्ट वेबिनार में, सेकंड में कितने हैं, एंड आई एम श्योर थर्ड में इससे ज्यादा होंगे। Those who are not coming, they are watching. Understand one thing, my friends, some people are still watching what we are doing, and they are going to join, they are going to come, because what we are talking is close to their heart. जो लोग नहीं आ पाए हैं वो भी हमारे साथ आएंगे। तो we must always remain united. Thank you very much. Yes, anybody else? I wanted to hear the new ones if they are still there.
हेलो, नमस्ते मौली जी।
नमस्ते जी।
ईश्वर बोल रहा हूँ।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी, ईश्वर जी कैसे हैं?
हाँ, बढ़िया बढ़िया। मैं भी थोड़ा एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूंगा आपसे।
ओके।
हाँ, तो मैंने भी ये AG पंजाब में ज्वाइन किया था 21 जनवरी 1988 में एज क्लर्क जी।
ओह माय गॉड।
तो मेरे ब्रदर ने मुझे ITI करवा दी थी जब वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड पंजाब में थे। तो मैं उनको ये कहता होता था कि आपने मुझे स्टेनोग्राफी करा दी, मेरे कोई काम तो आई नहीं है, जब मैं सर्विस नहीं लगा था। तो क्या हुआ कि फिर मैंने डिपार्टमेंटल पेपर दिया था 92 में, तो 93 में मैं स्टेनोग्राफर बन गया था। और उस पे बढ़ते बढ़ते और मैं अपने ऑफिस में सबसे सीनियर मोस्ट रहा। मेरी किस्मत रही ऐसी, और आप भाइयों जैसों का आशीर्वाद रहा कि मैं प्राइवेट सेक्रेटरी बन गया था 2008 में, फिर सीनियर प्राइवेट सेक्रेटरी बना। और अभी रिसेंटली आफ्टर 12 एंड हाफ ईयर के बाद मेरी प्रिंसिपल जी के साथ पोस्टिंग हुई है 25 अगस्त दिस ईयर।
कांग्रेचुलेशंस, कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी,
एजी
थैंक यू वेरी
पंजाब में हमारे HR बंसल, हेमराज बंसल जी, बहुत बड़े
हाँ जी, हाँ
स्टॉलवर्ड
जी,
थे।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी। तो वो हमेशा लेग पुलिंग होती रही। अभी मैं PAG के साथ अटैच हूँ। तो जो आपने बताया ये स्टेनोग्राफी के माध्यम से इतना हमें मान सम्मान मिलता है, शायद किसी से और हमें उससे पद से नहीं मिलता जो इससे मिलता है, यहाँ तक पहुंचे करे। और आज
एग्जैक्टली।
आपसे बहुत वर्षों बाद मिला हूँ, कर रहा हूँ, तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा और आपके विचार सुन के बड़ा अच्छा लगा। और मुझे बेदी साहब ने कहना लास्ट इवनिंग में इंस्पायर किया था करके, ऐसे करके आपने जुड़ना। तो मैं स्पेशली और काम छोड़ के, तो मैं वेबिनार से फर्स्ट टाइम आपसे जुड़ना और सभी से मिलके बड़ा अच्छा लगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Great, great, great. We must think what extraordinary we have done to enjoy all the privileges,
हाँ जी,
all the
थैंक यू।
success that we have. That is
हाँ,
why
थैंक यू
I
सर।
say we must be grateful.
हाँ,
All
थैंक
right.
यू वेरी मच।
I can see one from the participant from VSSC, CG Sandeep Surya S. Would you like to share your experience of this webinar today? If you can unmute yourself, CG. CG Sandeep is there. or anybody else from VSSC? Ramanathan, is there anyone?
Yeah, there are people actually, but I think they're not responding. So I'll take up.
Yeah, just sharing. You know, we are professional colleagues. This is not a training, or this is not a interview.
I understand.
Sharing our experiences.
Main motive to bring these people to this platform was very much that one only. You know, I just wanted to let them know there are a group existing, there is a group existing like this, and we are doing this for the last so many years, and you know, we have so much of capabilities if we get into the real thing. That was motive, and then I wanted to bring them into this kind of a forum so that they get into. Probably they are not aware of such things existing. Of course, here in VSSC we have a secretarial organization, but this is actually meant mainly for the internal purpose only. There are no participants or members from outside. It's only purely inside people only. So I thought they should get some kind of exposure. That is the reason I invited them to join this particular webinar. And I just told them also that it's going to be as that because we have some connectivity issues, we have some things like that. So they have participated. I don't know how much they were able to grasp and absorb things that we don't know exactly. But anyway, let us hope for the best. Maybe next time there will be more participants, or they will get some kind of advantage from this particular session. I hope so. But anyway, let me tell you and congratulate you. This has been a very nice thing today, and I rather advise or request that this has to happen once every month. You know, there are so many topics around us. You know, you can always do something or other. So
Thank you.
let us practice and get into real life more. Thank you.
Definitely. I think Bediji is committed to keep this series on. 2 webinars are done. And next one also, it would be good if you have our senior people coming and doing this program. Yes, we have Asarani ma'am there. Asarani ma'am, if you can unmute and share your experience. आपका पहली बार आपने ज्वाइन किया है. Are you there? Yes, yes. Yeah, I saw that post. I wanted her to share her feelings if she is there. So I think then we are done. Bediji, if there is nothing else, then we can conclude. Yes.
Thank you, Bedi sir, for giving me an opportunity to say vote of thanks to all. Good afternoon, everyone. I, on behalf of the Executive Council Inspire and all members associated with Inspire, extend my deep-hearted thanks to Shri N.P. Amoliji, guest speaker for today's webinar. We are very grateful to you, sir, for sparing time out of your busy schedule and enlightening us with full knowledge of personal and professional aspects of life. I would like to thank especially to Shri DMS Bediji, Chairman Inspire, for inviting Shri N.P. Amoliji for this prestigious webinar. Last, I, on behalf of entire Executive Council, extend my heartiest thanks to the distinguished members of Inspire who joined this second webinar and made it a great success. Thank you once again to all of you. Thank you, Amoliji.
Everybody.
Namaskar.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll meet again until we meet. Thank you very much.
Namaskar.
Thank you, Amoliji. Thank you very much for inspiring us today again.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you to all of you.
Thank you to all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू जी।
Thanks to Mr.
Thank you
Molly
very
and
much.
thanks
Thank
to
you. Bless
everyone
you all.
else.
Thank you, Rajananda ji. Ishwar ji.
Thank you. Nice to see you all.
हाँ,
Thank you.
okay.